Experiencing text message problems with AirTalk Wireless? The most common causes are SMSC issues, shortcode incompatibilities, and app conflicts. AirTalk Wireless as an MVNO on AT&T's network can be susceptible to these issues. SMSC is responsible for routing your texts, and incorrect setting can prevent delivery. Shortcodes are those 5 to 6-digit numbers used for services like bank alerts, and sometimes AirTalk needs to whitelist them. Finally, third-party messaging apps can interfere with your phone's default SMS handling. In early 2025, AirTalk rolled out firmware updates reducing outage reports by 40%. Despite improvements, occasional disruptions still happen, particularly in rural areas. Customer support often suggests manual SMSC resets and shortcode whitelisting as immediate solutions. First, check your SMSC setting. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIM, Access Point Names, Edit SMSC. Ensure it matches AT&T's default +31498 Neuro. Next, verify that AirTalk supports the shortcodes you're trying to use. Check their support page or contact them directly. If that doesn't work, app conflicts might be the culprit. Try disabling third-party messaging apps like Google Messages or Facebook Messenger temporarily, or boot your phone into safe mode to see if the problem goes away. AirTalk's app was updated in September 2025 to include an in-app troubleshooter for app conflicts. If problems persist, reaching out to AirTalk support or confirming device compatibility is essential. While AirTalk plans a full integration of RCS by mid-2026, which offers enhanced features, for now, focus on these fixes to improve your texting experience.